Nakapunta na ba kayo sa lugar na ito?
Ha?
Kung hindi, sampa na! Today, ipapasyal ko kayo sa Apsala! Heyo! Padjak abroad na naman tayo. And this time, I'm taking you on an exciting ride around Uppsala, Sweden. Uppsala is a city in Sweden known for its prestigious Uppsala University. One of the oldest in Scandinavia. Sobrang chill ng vibes dito. Perfect mix of historical charm and modern life. Dito makikita mo ang iconic Uppsala Cathedral. Ang laki at ang ganda! Also, meron din mga museums, parks, and super friendly ang mga tao. Speaking of friendly, itong bike na gamit ko. Pinahiram lang ito ng staff ng resto na tinambayan namin ni MJ. Oh, ayun nga pala si MJ. Ang ganda oh! Bumilis tuloy tibok ng puso ko. O diba? May basket pa. Paglalagyan ng mga ipinabili ni MJ. First things first, cycling in Uppsala is super enjoyable. The city is bike-friendly with lots of dedicated bike lanes. Nakaka-relax ang paligid dahil sa greenery and beautiful architecture. Nice. Plus, the air is fresh kaya naman talagang perfect for leisurely ride. Now, here are some things to keep in mind. Safety first. Always wear a helmet and make sure your bike lights are working, lalo na sa gabi. Follow the rules. Observe traffic signs and signals. Lagi-lagi dapat yan. Minsan nagkakaroon ng bike lanes na may specific rules, so be attentive. Kung paparada, lock your bike. Uppsala is generally safe, pero better to be cautious. Chill na chill lang ang padyakan ko dito. As in, I took it slow. Tipong madyak pogi lang. Slow-mo nga. Kung sa bagay, lagi naman ako mabagal eh. Ang importante at mahalaga, nanamnam ko yung lugar. Talagang pasyal mode. And speaking of pasyal, ano nga ba yung mga lugar na dapat pasyalan dito sa Uppsala? When in Uppsala daw, wag na wag palalagpasin ang Uppsala Botanical Garden. This place is breathtaking. Cycling through the garden paths feels like you're in a different world. Perfect for some photos too. Next, Gamla Uppsala. The historical site has beautiful landscapes and ancient mounds. Di ka lang basta pumapadyak dito, para ka rin daw nag-history lessons. The River Fyris. Follow the path along the river for a scenic ride. There are spots to stop to enjoy the view. O pwede rin mag-picnic by the water. Andyan din ang Lugnet Park. Tunog Luneta Park lang ah. A great spot for families. You can cycle around and enjoy various activities. And kid-friendly too. Aba, pwede si Eren dito.
Let's go, Daddy!
While here in Uppsala, marami kaming natambayan at natsibugan na lugar dito ni MJ.
Wow!
Nice. Kami pa. And speaking of, balikan ko nga siya doon sa resto kung saan ko siya iniwan. Ilang saglit pa, inabutan ko siyang inaatake na pala doon ng mga hungry birds. Ganito kasi yan, nasa kasarapan kami ng pagkain sa Uppsala, Sweden nang bigla kaming lapitan ng mga ibon. Ni hindi nahiya, nasindak at buong tapang na lumapit sa pagkain ni MJ at... What? Kawawang MJ, natulala na lang. Habang nilalafang ni Bird ang kanyang pagkain. Sinave the best for the last pa naman niya yun. O, magtitikom pa ng tinapay. O diba, may side story pa. Makapasyal na nga lang ulit. So there you have it, guys. Cycling in Apsala is a must-try experience. Just remember to stay safe, follow the rules, and enjoy the beautiful sights. Kung nagustuhan niyo ang vlog na ito, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below your favorite cycling spots. Until next time,
Bye-bye.
let's cycle the world, one padjak at a time.